Hello everyone. Look what I have today. Oh, the US Weaver shipping is so late. I mean, it's always been late, but I don't know. I feel like because I guess because of the holiday season or whatever, but it feels like it's been forever. I mean, I already ordered J Hope's, and Jin's is now coming. V's coming, I think, next month. But oh my goodness, took forever. Okay, and it was the first release too. It wasn't even like the first pre-order. Um, it wasn't like the second or third or anything like that either. Anyway, I got 3 again because I am collecting all the random. And so far, if it goes according to how they've been doing it, I will get at least 2 of the same. Hopefully not all 3. Hopefully. It's so much harder to find a trade for all 3, or for, the other 2 random. So hopefully I get at least 2 different ones. Alright. And the newer bags that they give us, so noisy. I don't know if you noticed. Okay, I'm going to open all 3 of them first. And while I do this, oh, JK came back. And Jimin. So Jimin did it last Friday, or 2 Fridays ago, and then this past Friday. JK came on, is it Wednesday and Friday? And then Saturday? Something like that. They came back on again. Boxing. He did a boxing thing. Yeah. He cut his hair, or he cut his bangs. I don't know. It's not my favorite hairstyle on anybody. Jungkook looks so babyish with that hairstyle. His attitude the whole evening was really cute, though. Yeah, very baby. Okay. I'm gonna pull this stuff out. This is the... Oh, okay. Is that everything? So if you open it from the back, the pictures are upside down. If you open it from the front, then there's no surprise. So I opened it from the back this time. Okay, but let's look at all this stuff. All right. This one is the postcard. And this is his picture. He looks really good. Very sexy. Okay. I like this pirate Jin a lot. Oh, okay. So this is his poster. I should show you guys. I bought a thing for posters, a binder book kind of thing for the posters. But here's Jin's poster. The Admiral. Admiral and pirate. I do like the pirate better. Has that bad boy vibe, right? Here are the stickers. And then there's the fisherman. So the pirate, the admiral, the fisherman. 3 very different vibes. Okay. And then this is... Oh, do I want to open it? Oh, it's open. Oh. See, there's the notch for tearing it open, but it was open on this side. So either they forgot to seal it, or I don't know, was it meant to be that way? But it has the fish, the tuna. This matches his Super Tuna song. Okay. That's his fish, and it has like the little fish net, which is really cute. Sea of Jin Island. Okay, shall we see which ones I got? Alright. Someone told me which is which, but I can't remember. But I'll flip them both over. I got both the Admirals. So one of these is, I think maybe this one. I guess we'll see. I think this one might be the regular, the one with his name on it. And then I think maybe this one might be, I don't know, might be the random. We'll see, I guess. You would think I would know by now since it's been so long. But I don't remember. Oh, okay. So going through his book. Let's see what Jin has prepared for us. Maybe I'll zoom in. There we go. Okay. Admiral. We're starting with Admiral Jin. Mr. Handsome. He looks good. I wonder how he's doing. He apparently is he commenting or texting the group in their group chat every now and then. But yeah, I wonder how he's doing. I'm sure he's doing well. He started his assistant teaching. Is that what it was? His position? He probably started by now. Can you imagine? I'm sure among those in the military that he's with, either serving with or the new what are they called? Can't remember. But the new recruits that came in to start training, like if they're under him, can you imagine? I'm sure there's army among them. Can you imagine being under him, training under him? See, he looks so much better as a pirate, don't you think? Is it just me? I would not mind being on a ship that he captures. It'd be so much better if JK was on there too. But he does really look good this way. I like it. I like this concept. I like that concept. I have a feeling that I'm forgetting something. I think I might have wanted to talk about something and I can't remember now, but oh well. I'll remember eventually. I can't wait to see what comes next. Oh, next. Jimin is next. He said, well, I think he's next. He said in his last live that his album is going to be coming out next month, March. So yay, we have an album coming. And then after Jimin, I don't know, maybe it'll be Suga? Because he did say he was pretty much done and ready to come out too. Then after Suga, JK said his would be out. So maybe Suga and JK. I'm really curious, you know, who's going to go next. And as much as I don't want to see them leave, I want them to go quickly. Because the longer they take to leave, the longer it's going to take for them to get back out and be together. So, yeah, everyone has to leave by the end of this year in order for them to be together mid-2025, right? A year and a half? Yeah. See if Jin. This one's a fisherman concept. Oh. He looks good here too. Mr. Worldwide Handsome. But he knew that too. That's why he chose his concept. He said he just chose whatever he would look good at. But I do wonder who's going to be next leaving and when they'll all be getting out. Age-wise, it should be Suga, but they did say that it would be based on their schedules. So it doesn't necessarily have to be age-wise. Sugar definitely has to go by the end of this year. But doesn't mean that he's necessarily the next. When they put Super Tuna in here. How cute. Okay, so that is this. And of course, we already know V is next. Alright. Okay, so that is the photo book. Alright, now for the rest of the PCs. Oh. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Book 2. Book 2 is... the same thing. Oh no. Okay. Hopefully book 3 will be different. So if book 3 is the same, that would really stink. But, oh well. It can't be helped. Alright. Ready? All 3 the same. Okay. Oh well. I'm gonna have to find a trade for them. I'm sure there's people looking. I do hope that it won't be too hard getting the other 2. Okay. Well, that was the unboxing of Jin. Me, myself, and Jin. And yeah, sometime within the next month, I will be getting V's. And yeah, I don't have a lot left to come, so I won't be doing for as many unboxings. I am going to keep trying to work on the planner and a couple other like larger scrap pages. So as I do those, I will upload those as well. Alrighty, I will see you guys later. Bye.